Hi guys, welcome back to Belle Dante's channel. Today we are making ube cookies, and for people who have never made them, we're going to show them how to make it. First step, we're going to add 1 cup of salted butter. Into the bowl we're gonna put it. So let's put it in. It's softened, yeah. I'm dabbing.
Second step, we are going to add half a cup of granulated sugar. Now we're going to dump it in. Third step, we're going to add
half a cup of light brown sugar.
half a cup of light brown sugar. Whoa. Now we're going to beat it till it's light and fluffy.
And then we're gonna add the ube to it.
Now we're gonna add 2 eggs to the bowl. Oh God.
Oh no! Now we're gonna mix it.
Whoa.
Now we're gonna add the ube halaya jam.
Ube.
Ube. Now we're adding the ube extra.
Ube extra.
Now we're gonna mix it up.
I need my chair.
Powder.
I need a chair.
Baking
Okay.
soda
Where put this?
and salt.
Okay.
Now we're gonna do 2 teaspoons of baking powder.
Oh no. We restarted the video.
Cheers. Thanks for watching the video.